Happy New Year guys! Welcome to Comics Tube YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll review the chapter 180 of Superman, where we see the fight between Dracula and Superman. We all know that Kryptonite can harm Superman, and it is his only weakness. However, it turns out that not only Kryptonite can harm the Man of Steel, but also some supernatural entities like the members of the Undead, such as flesh-eating zombies and blood-sucking vampires, who have gone up against the last son of Krypton more than once. But before we jump in, if you are new here, a sub to this channel would be highly appreciated, and also turn on all the notifications to never miss any future uploads. Please like, comment and share. All the text and images are owned by its respected company. You can support them by purchasing it digitally or from any offline stores. The chapter opens up with the Castle Romanoff, where Clark, Lois and Jimmy are sent by the Daily Planet to make an assignment. They are here to investigate the war crime as the country is in danger of being attacked by the evil General Zod, and Romanoff wants the help of other countries, especially Superman, in this upcoming battle against General Zod. He welcomes the crew to his castle. All of them become surprised by the breathtaking view of the castle. Then Romanoff and his assistant show them the guest room. He tells Lois that he appreciates that his invitation has been accepted by them. He greets her by kissing her hand and leaves them by saying they will begin the interview in the morning. In the middle of the night, when Lois and Clark are sleeping together on their bed, Lois wakes up by a whispering voice as it is calling by her name. She leaves her bed and opens the window. Then she jumps out of the window and rides on the cloud. The hypnotizing voice makes her come close to him through a fog-shrouded forest. When she enters deep into that forest, she finds herself surrounded by a pack of werewolves. But lucky for her, Superman quickly shows up to save Lois when she is attacked by those savage werewolves. He tells Lois to get back to the castle as quickly as possible, but Superman gets cornered by those werewolves. While Lois is on her way to the castle, she gets confronted by Dracula himself. He hypnotizes Lois and grabs her to taste her blood. But before he can enter his teeth into her neck, Superman rocketing through the sky and grabs Lois by Dracula's hand. Dracula disappears into the cloud by telling Superman that, so he has finally arrived in his land. Because it was all Dracula's plan to lure Lois and her team to get his hands on Superman, because all he wants to control Superman and lead his army against General Zod. Superman quickly takes her to the castle, but she behaves oddly in front of him and passes out. Back to the next morning, Clark tells Lois what happened on the last night. They were attacked by werewolves and Count Dracula. He first thought about flying Lois and Jimmy out of here, but now he wants to know what this Count Dracula is up to. But Lois forgets all of this as she tells Clark that, what is he talking about? She hasn't left the room since they got here. Her feet are also clean even though she runs through the forest. Then in the next panel we see, Count invites Lois and her team to his decorated wine cellar room to do the interview, where he tells his country's suffering by the hands of General Zod. Later in the evening, Jimmy is getting dressed for dinner, but suddenly from the back, Count's assistant shows up wearing a seductive dress. But Jimmy becomes surprised as he sees her reflection is not showing in the mirror. Before Jimmy can escape from there, he gets hypnotized by her eyes. Back in Clark and Lois's room, Clark scans a bottle of wines, but there he gets suspicious about Count's involvement in all of this as he discovers all the wine bottles are full of human blood, and he tells Lois that this is not wine, it's human blood. But Lois gets annoyed by Clark's activity and she tells him that she is going downstairs to have dinner with the Count. If he don't like about Count's taste in wine, then he should not drink it. When Lois enters into the hall room, from the above ceiling, some blood drops on her hand. As she looks up in the ceiling, she gets terrified by Count Dracula as he jumps on Lois. But before he can reach to Lois, Superman again saves her from him. At that time, Dracula reveals that he just wanted Superman to show up at his castle, so he could have a Kryptonian-powered soldier in his undead army. Then he uses his magical power, which effectively hypnotizes Superman and draw him close enough to Dracula's range. Dracula opens his mouth and bites Superman, but before he makes his move, he forgets to make some notes on Superman's abilities that his cells contain infinite amount of solar power. Actually, he is taking a bite of sun, which is not a good move for Dracula, and as a result, the Lord of the Vampires ends up burning into the dust. In the last panel we see, while they are leaving the country, Lois tells Clark that Superman's rule against killing should not really apply here. But Clark replies, Dracula is dead and he was the only one that kept Zod and his army out of their land. Lois says she don't think even Zod could hold his own against whatever kind of creatures live there. And with last panel full of werewolves, vampires and Frankenstein, the chapter 180 of Superman comes to a close. Which part you like the most? Please comment down below. And also please subscribe to this channel as this will motivate me to make more contents. Thank you so much for watching. Everyone stay safe and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.